What low cut does is it will cut the low frequencies. Simple example would be you are recording in a room and there is a AC or a heater or a fan humming sound coming in, and you want to cut those low frequencies. Then set it to either 100 or 300 hertz depending on which microphone you're using. If you're using both, set it to both of them, and what it does, it tries to suppress or cut down any frequencies below that number. So if you put 300 and below, all frequencies will be cut to get a clean audio and ignore all the humming sounds.